Wait, I spring walk that.
The skeng style that, brother. Them time there. My youth, just called me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Yeah, Jebba.
Okay.
And put one hand in your pocket like.
Yeah. Yeah.
This spring walk.
Sure. You know, chat. Them style of spring boy got me, you know. Even like so. You know?
So you didn't really have a style named Speng style?
Yeah, man. Spring.
With pants in a socks
I
and
saw it, I forgot. And especially diamond socks making wicked. And then time they gun mouth trousers,
gun more
gun
trousers.
mouth pants, little foot them.
Okay.
And you must have a knife wrap up in the gleaner.
A knife wrap up in a gleaner.
Yeah.
Or you push that in your waist or your back pocket.
Yeah, your waist or in your pocket. And your two back pocket to full. Whatever in it.
So like new full of newspaper.
I could have wrapped too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Two back pocket full.
Yeah. And you drag no show. Your pants up there.
Worse if you have all that mesh marina.
Yeah. I Spring style in here.
Just one button up there, so.
One button, yes, sir. If you say, what are you button, yes, sir. Yeah. And the shirt, you must out there. You know, tell them straight, so. So, I say style, go. And you are anything, and you must do so.
And a shake.
If you don't do so, girl, no say out. If you don't know that chicken, want cooking in your back pocket. I know you, the girl no rate you. I mean hurt man shoes and weatherman cap on the buckle at the back and the zipping at the top and lick.
So
you never see weatherman cap?
no, me not familiar with it that much. So girls used to attracted to the guy them.
I style. Like we see them, they attracted to the girl doing a to the reason. It was his style.
Oh.
Yeah, man. And then you have when you have on the weatherman cap with the buckle at the back and the zipping at the top. And you have on a harrow shirt, black. Gabardine pants, black. Gun mode. Have on, especially if you have on a brand new Hurtman shoes. Or a Wallaby. Or a Viking booty. Or a Hard Brothers well shine.
When they got a dance or a party, they just jam one side.
Oh, yes. And so they look, I see you look over your glasses, so like Patty, so. Yeah.
It look like say you tried this pink thing already. So you ever try? You do it already?
Well, you have to dress nice when you're in a period place. But as you go to the road, you change up now.
Oh.
Yeah, change up and.
When you go to the road, you start speng.
Remember, that's me, so no that would have peng, you know. Me say me no that would have peng. But no got no peng in my place. No got no peng in your peng. Why we used to have some, but you know, them scrutinize we used to wonder. God's so good about that. It was a good thing. That the parents never, you couldn't go to the parents' place with that. You know? If I was my next parents want to dance if they want to dance, man. But no go to no dance hall. No.
I know lie I tell because remember when my youth and me I got mullet all with them there. When other kids go on the road, you have to sit down for a veranda column.
You see, still for all, if you was to think about what could happen on the road, well, if you do a yard, it may not happen.
True.
You understand me?
True.
Because enough time. We fight them when we get in out the road. It means just listen to my mother and father is say. And just go lie down on the bed. You don't get in the fight out the road. All of a sudden, you come back in the yard because me not take me out the road in the rasta. Me lick up a face out there, you know. I bite up somebody and money come in.
Bite them up.
Yeah, our fight all go on. I'm in a certain about the crowd. And I'm more around one of them. And me just disappear in the darkness and you can move.
What are the bad habits or slang what you see other young man in a do when they are grow up when you try to follow?
You get in a one, which is smoking. No right. I mean, if I'm God, everybody put that, you know, hurt me until today. But say I grow your locks by your head. Come remember for the with that. No. No. You come in with that. You know, you have to trim your ear and you know to remember that you know and rasp in there, you know, sir. And remember that makes service by the them. Remember that you know and you don't look like no hangman in here. The pass most of no waste. You know? And bad habit them and the bad slang them. They you know, me not get in it with crowd, me go in it with myself. Cuss bad word in front of big people. You couldn't do that. We couldn't do that. Other children do that. You know? Well, when we get by 12, 13, one man force me to tell him bad word. And me I tell him, I'm going to him no more here. Yes, sir!
How you hide that tell him?
We whisper to him.
You whisper to him?
Like him did the song. I mean, no say he can't catch me because his belly too big.
Yeah.
He can't run. And when him a fling stone, him a fling me all over so he did the song. So, boom! Boom! Suck!
Yeah, I didn't watch that the time.
Oh, 12, 13.
Yeah?
And if I say, we getting new to beat no to don't do me no more. But yeah, I mean, nobody we beat no more.
You get as much.
Well, when me I get beaten, when me guilty and I get beaten, you know, no bother me, you know. You know, when I beat bother me, he no say beat.
So when you are telling them the silent bad word, you know vex.
You know, pass it now and start chewing when you do with your wife now. I'm blood that. Then you gonna make me know say no like that. Me say no. You get you know. And when me see my coming to go to see him, wait boy. Tell me no. Hiding. And my ball up my name, but nobody no hear me. I say, you should be get your wife. I saw me I go do it, boy. I saw me I go do it. The first time we knew that, you know, see, come for the river. Then me come for the left him down there, you know. I'm up a yard man, and my mother, film wife, one year I needed the son, 3 more lady did it. Here I come. Salva, I'm going to talk to the boy, you know. Eh? I'm going to talk to the boy. Suppose you see where boy tell me when you do with my wife. Mother say, what you say? Me say, boy, show me, and I might tell lie now.
I'm a hard to it.
I had to it. I mean, don't do that. I'm just stick me take out. He tell me say, me take out the baby, and I show him. That was lie. The truth is, I just stick me use, and I hold it so, and I say you so me get your wife. I saw you. I used to go up a buck. Oh Jesus Christ!
I cut off your hand.
So you know, he wife now. Now you're so good. So when they explain and tell her, yeah, don't laugh. What you know, no? I'm grabbing you, man. I don't love you. Don't pick up what you love. You know, let me go. You should be too much. You no. Mr. Man, let me tell you the truth. Me no want run of them the business, no, sir. So, if you feel like, say, if you mother don't know. John Chris, if he knows, if he knows, ask for no big. You do all have a seed. So, if they want to go so have a seed, that they never figure him the book. He said, what you know? You do that, but you should run instead of a laugh. You know, you should
All the next day when you see him, I'm supposed to that time you do it.
every time you see back come and we go, so we don't talk up something, man. And do that so. Do that so. Why?
He hurt you.
That's the kind of trouble I used to make.
Him hurt you, that's why you do it.
All I know, I may find one thing where he don't like. He pissing me. You don't know. You don't know. I see each other after me say, boy, I hate ya. So,
That time man I told man, I'm afraid again.
no. See all the man that come from them. My man come and say, Mr. Alva, let me tell you the truth. We really hear the man don't so attack, but we don't know who in that attack. The father said, well, me see no hear him attack. We hear him a quarrel and attack, but we don't know who in that attack. So now hear the boy mouth. He said, no, sir. He said, no, how you say him I tell you about you know? When I stand him a whisper, then if him a whisper, how you hear?
Same way.
Anyway, you call me up. I said, this to me. Make the business with the first and the last. You know, lie the matter for me. Hear me no. No, kill me and done here, man. No, give my mother, we sell one boy. Me say, they want me to do. No, just kill me and done here.
And that time you're guilty like wow.
Hey, why? Maybe you know, move fine for them. You go, what we gonna get about now?
He want to kill you.
Oh my God, Father, you make me hide the truth, God. I was guilty at that point. Me do that. But some things when they say me do, me not do it, man. And God Almighty know me never do certain things, man. I never do certain things. So me say, you know, oh, God. So me I go do some things too, brother. And then, you know, do things. Me say things. Tell him about your wife. You know, matter when you tell him about your mama, but when you talk to your wife, don't like when you tell him about your wife. No, man.
He hate him more than when you tell him bad word and a whisper.
You don't understand.